All right, here we are at the finish line. In this final explainer, we're going to take everything we've talked about, all that theory, and turn it into a real, solid action plan. The goal? By the time we're done, you'll have a clear roadmap to use AI securely and, more importantly, effectively to really push your business forward. So, you've made it. This is officially part 20 of our 20-lesson free tutorial, Prompt Engineering Strategies, getting the results you want while protecting privacy and sensitive information. Brought to you by Virtualization Options LLC. You've seriously put in the work to learn the fundamentals, and now it's time to make it all real.
You know, over the course of this whole series, we've really gone on a journey together, right? We've shifted our thinking about AI. It's not just some fancy tool anymore. We've started to see it for what it truly is. A powerful, legitimate business partner. And because you now know how to speak its language, well, you're ready to unlock its absolute full potential. All right, let's dive right in with what I think is the single most important idea we've covered, your AI partnership. Look, this is so much more than just typing in commands. It's about a fundamental shift, transforming AI from this mysterious, unpredictable black box into a reliable, scalable engine for your business's growth.
And the really crucial takeaway here, if you remember nothing else, is this. The quality of your prompts, it directly maps to the quality of your results. It's that simple. You put in better instructions, you get back better analysis, you get better content. And what does that all add up to? A real, tangible, competitive advantage.
So, that naturally brings us to the absolute foundation of your success, which is, of course, the art of crafting those effective prompts. This is really where the magic happens. It's the starting point for any high-value result you're ever going to get.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of the 3 pillars. Think of these as the legs of the stool. Every great prompt stands on them. First up, clarity and specificity. This is all about getting rid of the guesswork. Then you've got role and tone, which is where you basically tell the AI who to be, framing its expertise. And finally, structure. This is how you take a huge, complicated request and break it down into a simple, manageable process. If you can nail these 3, you are going to get precise, relevant results every single time.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It perfectly illustrates the huge leap in the quality of the output. Asking, "Tell me about sales," is like throwing a dart in the dark. You're just going to get a generic guess back. But asking for a quarterly sales analysis for our Northeast region, well, that's not a wish. That's a strategic command, and it delivers a focused, actionable analysis. That right there is the power of a well-engineered prompt. Okay, but as we've talked about again and again, getting amazing results is really only half the battle. Because if you're not careful, if you don't have the right precautions in place, you could be putting your whole company at risk. And that's why protecting your business isn't just a good idea, it's a strategic imperative.
So, this is the big question, right? The one every single leader needs to be asking themselves. How do you innovate with this incredible technology without putting your most valuable assets on the line? Because you have to understand, every single prompt you write is a potential data risk. We're talking customer info, financial data, your 5-year strategic plan. You have to operate as if it could be exposed if you're not super careful.
Now, what's really cool is how simple but incredibly effective these anonymization techniques are. You don't have to gut your prompt to make it safe. Just by using simple placeholders like, say, an enterprise client in the healthcare sector instead of a name, or competitor A, you completely neutralize the data risk, but you still give the AI all the context it needs to give you a fantastic response.
And this is where we go a level deeper than just masking data. When you start building your prompts using core security principles, things like least privilege and input validation, you're creating a powerful layered defense. You see, you're not just asking for a result anymore. You're engineering a secure request that's designed to protect your assets right from the get-go.
Okay, so you've got the skills for writing great prompts, and you've got that crucial security-first mindset. You are absolutely ready for the next step, taking all this knowledge and turning into a concrete, real-world action plan for your organization.
And look, this isn't just pie-in-the-sky theory. This is a tangible, quarter-by-quarter roadmap to get it done. You'd start in Q1 just by assessing your current policies to see where the gaps are. Then in Q2, you bring everyone to the table, IT, legal, the business units. Q3 is all about rolling it out with great training. And by Q4, you're monitoring and refining. This is exactly how you weave secure and effective AI into the very DNA of your company. All right, before we get to your first big takeaway and your next step, let's do a super quick rundown of a few key terms. Knowing this language is going to be absolutely essential when you start leading these AI conversations inside your business. First up, LLM. That stands for Large Language Model. You can just think of this as the AI engine that you're communicating with. And it's important to know what it's doing under the hood. It's basically a super sophisticated pattern matching machine. It's just predicting the next logical word. It's not actually thinking like a person. And that is a really critical distinction to keep in mind.
Okay, next term, hallucination. This one is huge. It's when the AI just makes stuff up, but says it with complete and utter confidence. The scary part is the AI has no idea it's wrong. This is exactly why you have to, must, verify any critical facts it gives you. Imagine putting a hallucinated number in a quarterly report. Yeah, the consequences could be pretty serious.
And last one here, prompt injection. This is a big security threat. It's basically an attack where someone hides malicious instructions inside what looks like totally normal text. And this gets right back to why that security-first approach is so important. You have to train yourself to treat any text coming from the outside world as data to be analyzed, not as instructions to be followed. That's your best defense.
Okay, now it is your turn. Time to put all this into practice. Here's your next step, your challenge. Draft a simple one-page AI usage policy for your own team. Just think about it. What would your top 3 rules be for using AI safely and effectively? This one little exercise will help crystallize everything we've talked about and get you started on the road to implementation.
So there you have it. You've got the strategies, you understand the security principles, and you have an action plan ready to go. AI is right here, right now, ready to be your company's most powerful partner for innovation and growth. There's really only one question left to ask. Are you ready to lead that conversation? Because the future of your organization's partnership with AI, well, it starts right now.